Good morning, children. Have a nice day. So, in this class, we learn about that unit 20. Okay, so that is organ system in animals. Organ system in animals. Now, I am going to explain that pancreas. Okay, that pancreas. Pancreas is a lobed leaf-shaped gland. Lobed leaf-shaped gland, that is pancreas. Lobed leaf-shaped gland, that is called what ma? Pancreas. Okay, yes. So it situated between the stomach and duodenum. This is stomach, this is duodenum. So the pancreas is between the stomach and the duodenum. Stomachukkum duodenathuku இடையில தான் என்ன இருக்கு இந்த pancreas. Okay, so pancreas is act as both exocrine gland and also endocrine gland. So pancreas, it acts as a exocrine and also endocrine. Then only it is called dual gland. Okay, dual means double. So exo as well as endo. So exocrine part of the pancreatic gland secrete that pancreatic juice. Okay, this is pancreatic duct. This is pancreatic duct. Okay, so the pancreas gland, the pancreatic gland secrete pancreatic juice, which contains 3 enzymes. என்ன enzymes ma? 3 enzymes, that is lipase, trypsin and amylase. Lipase, trypsin and also amylase. Okay, so which acts on fats, protein and starch. So இது என்னது? Acts on fat. So lipase is fat, trypsin is proteins and amylase is starch. Okay, so the gland's upper surface bears that islets of Langerhans. So that plates in that upper surface, this is islets of Langerhans. இதுதான் சொல்கிறோம், islets of Langerhans. இப்படி குட்டி குட்டியாக இருக்கும். ஓகே அம்மா. ஸோ விச் ஹாவ் தட் எண்டோக்ரைன் செல்ஸ். இதுதான் என்ன செல்ஸு? Endocrine cells. Okay, this endocrine cells secrete that hormones. The endocrine gland secretes what ma? Endocrine cells secrete hormones. So that is Olba cells. That is Olba cells secrete glucagon. Olba cells எதை secrete பண்ணும்? Glucagon. Okay ma. Olba cell secrete glucagon. Then beta cell secrete insulin. Okay, that beta cell secrete insulin. Okay amma, insulin. Yes, the intestinal gland secrete intestinal juice. So the intestinal gland secrete what ma? Intestinal juice. Okay, then it is called succus entericus. Succus entericus. Succus entericus, which contains that enzymes is maltase, lactase, sucrase and lipase. So which act as in an alkaline medium. Okay, alkaline medium, which act as in that alkaline medium. Because the stomach என்னதான் HCl secrete. Okay, yeah? Yes. So from the duodenum, that food is slowly moved down into the ileum part. அப்படியே small intestine, அதிலிருந்து duodenum. See that this is duodenum. After that then the small intestine. So from the duodenum, the food is slowly moved down to ileum. அப்படியே ileum பார்ட்டுக்கு என்ன செய்யுது? மூவ் ஆகுது ஃபுட்டை. Where the food is digested and also gets absorbed. அங்கே தான் ஃபுட்டு டைஜஸ்ட் ஆன ஃபுட்டு என்ன பண்ணப்படும்? அப்சார்ப் பண்ணப்படும். ஓகே, ஸோ அப்சார்ப்ஷன் இஸ் present in that ileum part. That is, it is the portion of the intestine. Okay, it is in the portion of the intestine. So first one, the first function is absorption of food. The first function is what ma? Absorption of food. So it is one of the process which nutrients obtained after the digestion are absorbed by villi. Villi, you know that, yes. It is present in the finger-like projection called villi. It is 1 millimeter in length. Already you learned in that previous class. Okay. Approximately 4 million in number is present in that ileum. Okay. So then only it increase the absorption. Then that villi is circulated throughout that body by blood. Edan moolam blood and also lymph, and supplied to all body cells according to their requirements. எதை பொறுத்து தேவைக்கு ஏற்கதை பொறுத்து இது என்ன பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம் சப்ளை பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம் ஓகேயாம்மா எஸ் தென் த செகண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் இஸ் அசிமிலேஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபுட் ஸோ அசிமிலேஷன் மீன்ஸ் அதாவது உணவானது என்ன செய்யுது தன்மயமாக்கி கொள்ளுது ஓகேயா தென் it is that absorbed food materials into tissue cells as their internal and homogeneous component. Okay, that final products of fat digestion, that is fatty acids and glycerols. Final product fat digestion final product எதுனா fatty acids or glycerol. It again converted into மறுபடி இது எதா மாறும் ஃபேட்ஸாக மாறும். And that excess fat is stored in that adipose tissue. You know that adipose tissue, it is present under the skin.